Good day, everyone. It's my pleasure to present to you a video on how to upload your video on YouTube. Before you can upload your video on YouTube, you must have Gmail account. Ensure you have Gmail account. After registering your Gmail account, then you go to google.com, www.google.com. You can see it here. So from google.com, you will see this icon, the icon for Gmail, the icon for images, and then you see a rectangular, grafted rectangular shape here, like a draft. So you click on that. You click on this rectangular shape, then a pop-up image will come up. So you can see a drop down. This one represents your own account. This one represents a search. This one represents map. But our target today is on YouTube. So we are going to click on YouTube so that we can move to YouTube channel. So we click on this YouTube channel. Then we come to this page. So we're already on YouTube channel now. On the YouTube channel, you see this icon here. See this icon here. That's what you click on to upload your video. When you click on it, you see a dialog box, upload or go live. If you want to go live, you click on go live. If you click on go live, your camera, if you have a webcam camera on your laptop or desktop, it will switch on the webcam and also broadcast you live. But our target today is on how to upload a video on YouTube. So we are going to click upload video. You click on it, upload video, then it will take you to another digital environment. So on that digital environment, it's going to ask you if you are creating YouTube for the first time, if you are creating YouTube channel for the first time. Then it also asks you if definitely you are going to make use of your own email. If you are going to make use of your own email, you click your own email. If you want to make use of another email, you click whatsoever email you want to click. Okay, so we're already on the channel whereby we can upload a video. So I'm going to select a file now. I'm going to select a file. So I'm selecting a file right now. Then I have to locate a folder where my video is. Select, let me select a particular folder here. So just for the purpose of this tutorial, let me select just a very simple folder, file. So I've selected a file. Then it's asking me to name it. I can change the name if I wish. I can call it testing my video channel or testing my video. Testing my video. Okay, so you can also add description. Add description to your video. You can call it, let me call this one Jesemach video. So you can name several other video, or you can also mention several names to describe your video. Okay, so this one is the video link. If you actually want to play your video from the YouTube, you click on this one. So without wasting much of our time, as video is being processed, you can move forward. If you look at this bar, you know that the video is 95% processed. So you can move to the next level. You move to the next level. Then it's asking you, is this video made for kids or require? So you have to set your parameter here. So you can click it is made for kids. All right. So basically we deal with young people. You can set your restriction there. Then if you want age restriction, you can go to age restriction. So you can ask them to, if it is not if it's not made for uh, the kids, you cannot set age restriction. No, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18. Then you can restrict it to viewers. Restrict my video to viewers over 18. Okay, so it depends on exactly what you want. So, but whatever the case might be, you can definitely save your video. Okay, so let me just write my video is meant for kids, then I can move to the next level. So whatsoever you want to add to your video, you can definitely do it here. So you have to save and publish. If you want public to know about it, you click public. So, or if you just want everybody with the video link to see your video, you click this one. This portion is very essential. I would advise teachers to always click on this. Anyone with the video link can see your video. Okay, you might not actually click on public, but you click this one for the purpose of teaching. You don't need to select any date to make your video public. So you click save. Click save. So testing my video has been uploaded. You have seen it here. So if you want uh, to link it to your flip classroom, you click on a bed, then you click on this particular page. You can see what I did here, then you cut. So your video is being published.